the res- Your picture's quality and sharpness will depend on the resolution of the camera. Higher the resolution, the better. But there are other features that impact your camera's performance. Number of lenses. Phones can come with single, dual, triple and quad cameras at the back and single and dual cameras at the front. As the number of lenses increases, you get better images and more features. The main or primary camera lens is the most used for capturing photos and videos, so choose one with high resolution. The second camera in most dual camera phones is the depth camera, used to take professional looking portrait mode shots that bring the subject to focus and make the background blurry. The third camera usually has an ultra-wide lens to capture a wide frame, so you can fit more of what you're capturing into your picture. Some premium smartphones also come with a fourth camera that usually has a telephoto or zoom lens. This lets you capture faraway objects with more clarity by zooming in. Some phones have macro lens, which provide very high quality, sharp images of objects from a close distance. Many smartphones come with multiple cameras in the front as well. The second camera usually has an ultra-wide lens to help you capture more, which is very useful for group selfies. Some instead have the portrait mode to help you capture stunning selfies. Other features to look for are the night mode. This enhances images shot in low light to look brighter and richer. The HDR mode. This is useful to capture images in contrasting light conditions. It retains details in excessively bright or dark lighting conditions.